Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Welcome to episode 28. Stepping onto Pier 39, the energy of San Francisco's waterfront really comes alive. This pier opened in 1978 and has grown into one of the city's biggest attractions, drawing millions of visitors every year. What started as an effort to revive an unused pier has become a mix of shops, restaurants, and entertainment venues, all built out over the bay. Walking down the length of the pier, you immediately notice the atmosphere. Street performers often set up near the entrance, welcoming crowds with music or comedy. The wooden planks beneath your feet creak with every step, a reminder that this is still a working pier structure, even if it's been transformed into a tourist hub. On either sides are rows of shops selling everything from souvenirs and clothing to unique specialty items. Above them, bright signs and banners add to the carnival-like atmosphere. Restaurants line the walk as well, many of them serving seafood that's become synonymous with the wharf. Clam chowder, sourdough bread bowls, and of course, fresh Dungeness crab. Some of the dining spots look directly out over the water, making them as much about the views as the food. As you move further along, attractions appear at nearly every turn. Arcades, a carousel near the center of the pier, and plenty of spaces designed for family and children. It's busy, it's loud, and it's designed to keep people exploring from one end to the other. At the very tip of Pier 39, the pace slows a little, and the focus shifts outward. Here the bay opens wide, with panoramic views in every direction. To the north, Alcatraz stands in the middle of the water. To the west, the Golden Gate Bridge stretches across the horizon. To the east, you can see Treasure Island and the Bay Bridge connecting San Francisco to Oakland. And of course, no walk down Pier 39 is complete without mentioning the sea lions. Since the early 1990s, they've taken over the floating docks beside the pier. Their barking and playful splashing are constant, and crowds gather to watch them lounge in the sun. It's become one of the pier's most famous sights, and unlike the shops or attractions, this one is completely wild. Walking the full length of Pier 39 is like moving through layers of San Francisco's waterfront, from entertainment and food to sweeping bay views, and finally to sea lions that have made this spot their home. It's a place of history, tourism, and nature, all colliding in one of the city's busiest and most iconic locations.
Oh, I'm not that famous. Hell, no. This is what I You want it to go? And that.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.